This is the Trajectory Planner Trapezoidal Velocity Profile Calculator, which determines the motion profile for point-to-point movements in automation systems. Let's look at the three input fields. First, we have total distance in millimeters, where you enter the distance your system needs to travel. Second is maximum velocity in millimeters per second, which sets the peak speed during the constant velocity phase. Third is maximum acceleration in millimeters per second squared, defining how quickly the system reaches maximum velocity. For this example, I'll enter 500 millimeters for total distance, 200 millimeters per second for maximum velocity, and 100 millimeters per second squared for maximum acceleration. After clicking Calculate Trajectory Profile, the results appear below. The calculator generates a complete trapezoidal velocity profile showing three distinct phases: the acceleration phase, where velocity ramps up, the constant velocity phase, where the system maintains maximum speed, and the deceleration phase, where velocity ramps down to zero. The output displays the time duration for each phase and the total movement time, allowing you to optimize your motion control parameters. This tool helps engineers design smooth, efficient motion profiles for servo systems, CNC machines, and automated equipment. Find the link in the description below.